Skywalk มหานครอะไรนะมหานคร Skywalk The ticket how much
880
880 but when you bought
You can buy
online
online, it's cheaper.
cheaper okay
Booking online cheaper.
We're at the Skywalk in Bangkok, Thailand. It is 880 baht, which is roughly $26 per person to come up here. No food, no water. We gotta wear our mask, at least for now. Maybe when we get outside we take them off. You know, for now we'll reach down and smash that like and subscribe if you like our content. Appreciate it. Helps our channel a lot.
Only 50 seconds to get up to 76 floors.
76 floors, and we're gonna be surrounded by whatever they are. That was 76 floors.
so fast
Asan yung D? Ano ko ba ang tayo? Hearing.
See the river way over there? We're on the 76th floor. We're going to the skywalk. Oh, the river circles around here.
You see the river?
Yeah.
You see the okay. 314 meters, but the highest in Korea right now. You can have this ticket. This, yeah.
That tall building in the distance over there used to be the tallest building in Bangkok. It now is number 5. And if you can't see it, I will point it out in the post. Okay, we're going up now to the top where the skywalk is. You see how brave Jai is when it comes to walking out on the
เจ้าพระยาริเวอร์
Icon Siam over there. Next time when you come, I will take you to have dinner on Starboat in the river at the Icon Siam over there. You see the Icon Siam? You see that two building over there?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's the one. It's another landmark in Bangkok.
Oh, okay.
It's called Icon Siam.
Okay.
And another one, Asian East, is over there. You cannot see from here, but no, you will see what is the Asian East later.
Alright, get this is for the
เสียงข้างบนใช่ไหมจ๊ะ
ใช่ค่ะเขาเป็นฝั่งด้านบนนะคะสีดำจะเป็นของผู้ใหญ่นะคะ แล้วของเด็กจะเป็นสีน้ำเงินนะคะ เดี๋ยวถ้าเราที่สุดจะเดินขึ้นก็ได้ค่ะ
Shoes cover for the card table.
Shoes for the shoes?
Yes
You put on later on.
Okay.
I wait for the
I'm gonna walk. Yeah, they gave us some shoes to put on our shoes. Oh, it's still going up. Going up higher. No, I'm going. Wow, I should have took the elevator. I didn't realize we're going up 3 or 4 floors.
You know.
อย่าเพิ่งใส่เดี๋ยวเขาใส่ดิ
Delicious, you have to be doing like haha. They hit them eventually, they're the only one that have drama, and now they've got drama. They said that, and Luke was like, lovely. He was like,
ต้องกล้าเดินต้องกล้าเดินไหม
ถึงจะโอนเข้าไทยได้เมื่อก่อนมันเคยสมัครได้เดี๋ยวรบกวนถ่ายรูปหลังโซ่นะครับ
ตอนนี้ไม่มีแล้วมั้งถ่ายในเชน please
Go out. Go out there. Look at June. Look at June.
ตกแต่ว่าไม่ต้องหวังว่าจะดังหรืออะไร
Get up and go out there. June, take Auntie Jai.
พอแล้วพอแล้วรูปภาพด้วยจ้ะรูปภาพพอแล้ววางเข้าไปไหนอย่ามองข้างล่างอย่ามองข้างล่างเดินมาอย่ามองข้างล่างอย่ามองข้างล่างมองแต่ข้างบนอย่ามอง
No, go out there. Go across. Go across. Go across.
No I can't
แต่แค่จะถอดออกมาไม่
Do
ได้
it.
นะแล้วแต่เรา
Jai, don't look down. Just walk across. Don't look down. Just walk across.
I can
Yeah, you can. It's made for the weight. Don't look down. Just walk.
ซื้อมาไม่ต่อแล้ว
ไม่เอา
ต่อก่อน
ถ่ายรูปพอแล้วไม่เอาลูกบอก뒤에 사람 나올 때 찍을게. 여기 앉아봐. 무서워. Okay, now it's your turn. Back.
It's still recording.
ใช้ไอโฟนอ่ะ ได้เดือนนึงเยอะอยู่นะบอกเลยเด็กมปลายทำกันอ่ะ ไปญี่ปุ่นเลยค่ะ ญี่ปุ่นเขาชอบผู้หญิงคนเที่ยวโถ
여기 앉아 여기 사람 제일
엄마, 아빠 내가 둘이 찍어줄게.
됐다 간다
I can't put it inside. There's a qualified there,
How you feeling?
Oh man, that's way down there.
जा विनीत को भी बोलो चले जाएगा अंदर
That's quite an experience. Quite an experience going down there. When you look down at the bottom, it is
You can sit
crazy
there.
far down there. They won't let us take cameras out on the glass. But that was cool.
go up there
ขึ้นไปเลยไปจองที่นั่น
Take a seat wait for sunset baby Looks so nice huh?
Yeah,
Wow
that's way down there.
Yeah Scary
이것보다 살짝 더 어두워진 딱 노을질 때쯤?
Shows you we are way up here. Way up here. And walking out on the skywalk, looking down through the glass, that was quite an experience. It is way down there. Awesome view, right? We're hanging around for sunset.
О, так я не снимаю.
Over 314 meters, the highest in Bangkok right now. It appears that other ones around here are taller, but apparently they're not. This is the big dog. Thanks everybody for watching us today. Hope you enjoyed this content. Reach down there and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. This is Bobby and Jai. It's time to get going. Out.